Hey folks, welcome back to Military Forces Unleashed. Today, we're taking off literally into the thrilling world of next-generation air dominance. Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the F-47 NGAD, the fighter jet that's set to redefine aerial warfare as we know it. In this episode, we'll uncover how this futuristic aircraft blends cutting-edge tech with strategic brilliance, while also examining the challenges and controversies surrounding its development. Ready? Let's get airborne. Imagine a fighter jet so advanced that it doesn't just fight wars, it orchestrates them. Picture this. An aircraft capable of commanding fleets of drones, flying faster and farther than anything else in the sky, and operating in environments where most planes wouldn't last 5 minutes. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, welcome to the future of air combat. The F-47 NGAD isn't just another upgrade, it's a generational leap forward. But here's the catch. What happens when ambition meets reality? Stick around because we're about to find out. The story of the F-47 NGAD begins not with a bang, but with a pressing need. Since the Cold War, air superiority has been the backbone of U.S. military strategy. The F-22 Raptor, introduced in the early 2000s, was once the gold standard, a stealthy, agile beast designed to dominate the skies. But fast forward 2 decades, and the global landscape has changed dramatically. Nations like China and Russia have developed their own 5th-generation fighters, forcing the U.S. to rethink its approach. Enter the Next Generation Air Dominance NGAD program, a classified initiative aimed at creating a family of systems capable of countering these emerging threats. According to reports from Jane's Defense, the NGAD isn't just one aircraft, it's an ecosystem. Think of it as a quarterback leading a team of drones, satellites, and cyber tools. Historically, this kind of integration has been talked about for years, but the F-47 is the first tangible step toward making it a reality. As Norman Friedman might put it, the NGAD represents more than technological advancement. It reflects a shift in how wars are fought. It's no longer about individual platforms. It's about interconnected networks. And if history teaches us anything, it's that revolutions in military technology often come with hefty price tags and logistical nightmares. So let's dig deeper. Let's talk specs. The F-47 NGAD is rumored to be powered by engines like the XA-102 from General Electric or the XA-103 from Pratt & Whitney. These aren't your grandfather's jet engines. They promise unprecedented thrust and range, potentially enabling hypersonic speeds. Imagine an aircraft that can outrun missiles and outmaneuver anything in its path. But what really sets the F-47 apart is its role as a quarterback. This jet won't just fly solo, it'll command squads of collaborative combat aircraft, CCAs, unmanned drones designed to handle everything from reconnaissance to electronic warfare. As Tyler Rogaway notes in The Drive, this concept shifts the burden of risk away from human pilots, allowing the F-47 to focus on high-level decision-making. Now, let's break down its capabilities. Speed, check. Agility, double check. Payload capacity, enough to make any adversary sweat. According to Forbes, the F-47 is being designed to operate in highly contested environments. Think dense anti-aircraft defenses and jammed communication channels. Its stealth technology is said to surpass even the F-35s, blending radar-absorbing materials with advanced electronic countermeasures. But here's the kicker. All this comes at a cost. Literally. Estimates suggest the F-47 could rival or even exceed the $300 million per unit price tag of the B-21 Raider bomber. And that's before you factor in maintenance, upgrades, and the drones it'll need to function effectively. Is it worth it? We'll get to that later. While the F-47 sounds like a dream come true, let's not kid ourselves. It's not without flaws. For starters, there's the issue of complexity. Integrating multiple systems into a cohesive whole is easier said than done. Remember the F-35 program? Delays, budget overruns, and technical glitches plagued its rollout. Could the same happen with the NGAD? Then there's the question of practicality. Sure, the F-47 promises unmatched capabilities, but at what cost? Critics argue that pouring billions into a single platform might leave other areas underfunded. James Fallows would likely point out that such projects often reflect political priorities more than operational needs. After all, who doesn't love a shiny new toy? On the flip side, supporters highlight the F-47's potential to maintain America's edge in air superiority. With adversaries closing the gap, standing still isn't an option. As David Cenciotti notes in The Aviationist, the F-47's ability to operate alongside CCAs could revolutionize tactics, making it harder for enemies to target key assets. Still, skepticism remains. Will it live up to the hype, or will it join the long list of ambitious projects that fell short? To understand the F-47's impact, let's look at hypothetical scenarios. Imagine a conflict in the Indo-Pacific region where vast distances and sophisticated defenses pose significant challenges. The F-47, with its extended range and stealth, could penetrate enemy airspace undetected, gathering intel and neutralizing threats before they escalate. Meanwhile, its drone wingmen could provide real-time data and act as decoys, drawing fire away from manned aircraft. Historically, similar concepts have proven effective. During Operation Desert Storm, coalition forces leveraged stealth and precision strikes to dismantle Iraqi defenses. The F-47 takes this idea to the next level, combining human ingenuity with machine efficiency. However, success depends on seamless integration, a tall order given the complexities involved. And let's not forget the geopolitical implications. If the U.S. fields the F-47 successfully, it could force rivals to rethink their strategies. Conversely, failure could embolden adversaries, undermining decades of American dominance. As always, the stakes are sky high. At its core, the F-47 NGAD is a testament to human ingenuity, but also a reminder of how complex and costly modern warfare has become. On one hand, it offers unparalleled capabilities, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. On the other, it raises questions about sustainability, affordability, and the direction of military innovation. So, what do you think? Is the F-47 the future of air combat, or is it overhyped and overpriced? Hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments. Which aircraft or system should we tackle next? Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated. Thanks for tuning in to Military Forces Unleashed. Your support keeps this channel flying high. See you next time as we explore another chapter in military aviation history. Until then, keep your eyes on the skies and your minds open to the possibilities.